Air conditioning is a system used to regulate the temperature, humidity, and overall air quality of a space. It is commonly used to provide comfort in homes and businesses, but it is also used in industrial and commercial settings. Air conditioning systems work by circulating air over a cooled coil, which cools the air and removes humidity. In this video, we will uncover Vancouver's top cooling specialists. Air conditioning is widely used in homes, offices, and public buildings to create a comfortable and healthful interior atmosphere, particularly in hot and humid weather. Our list of the top air conditioning companies providers in the city will help you find the perfect provider for your needs. From installation to service, these professionals can do it all. Number 1, Pro West Heating and Air Conditioning. They feel that satisfying its clients is the only way forward. They are a heating and air conditioning firm situated in Vancouver. Repairing, installing, and servicing central and wall-mounted air conditioners, heating, hydronics, and humidifier systems is their specialty. They provide the best service of central air conditioning. Window units and portable units are all examples of air conditioning system. Number 2, General Heating and Air Conditioning. General Heating and Air Conditioning invites you to contact and see what their unique mix of knowledge, honesty, compassion, professionalism, and experience can achieve for you. Leave your project to them, no matter how big or small, and experience how genuine service distinguishes them from the competition and makes your life easier. Their specialists have been fixing gas-fired appliances for over 15 years and have the knowledge to diagnose, troubleshoot, and repair all brands and models of furnaces, boilers, and hot water heating systems with any type of problem. Number 3, Ashton Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. All Ashton staff are handpicked for their work ethic and commitment to customer service. They take pride in their profession and appreciate the opportunity to assist 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are pleasant, kind, and equipped with cutting-edge equipment and industry training, in addition to being as precise as the people they serve. Their entire crew is licensed and certified. Not only that, but they continue to receive training during their time with them. Number 4, Greentech Air Conditioning and Heating. They believe in paying all of their workers a living wage and being a part of their community in a positive way. They strive to make their neighborhood a better place. For every project, they are completely licensed and insured. Every customer receives the same degree of service. They provide forthright quotes and straightforward advice. Number 5, Vanheat Heating and Air Conditioning Services. Vanheat Services should be the first company to call. They offer a full range of HVAC services to Greater Vancouver residential, industrial, and commercial clients. They are experienced and well equipped to handle a variety of HVAC problems that might be plaguing your residential or commercial property. With over 14 years of experience working on all major HVAC brands, Vanheat Services strives to provide the best heating and cooling services in Vancouver and beyond. They are committed to getting the job done right the first time. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more videos.